What the hell was that?
No, I don't think so.
I'm drugged.
Well, it could be. Especially
I'm
if
tired
you're
of this
scared of new
channel.
arrivals.
Change the channel. That's a window.
No. I can assure you that pirate didn't look like he was joking. And nor did the others. Isn't that right, Ronnie?
Yeah, I don't care.
What should we do next?
Fuck you.
I mean, if it really is dangerous,
Fuck this whole movie.
say,
Fuck this
maybe
world.
We should warn them about it. I mean,
It's thanks to the people of Atlantis that we're alive.
But unfortunately, we can't leave here.
It's also thanks to the people of Atlantis that you're trapped.
We should tell the king and his counselors all that we know.
Yes. Yeah.
are you going now then?
This time we should all be there. Do I make myself perfectly clear, Smile?
No raping.
Is it Smile? I thought it was Smiley.
Smiles, smiley.
But I can't.
Pretty much
come.
means.
I'm really scared of water. I had a bad experience when I was only a puppy.
Don't try to make excuses. You're in Atlantis and you just have to get used to water.
I'm going to point my finger at you to assert my dominance.
Let's go.
There's John McCain again.
But if they dismantle me with a screwdriver, I'll die, won't I?
Okay, then at least do that. Don't take over Atlantis, but take him apart.
Yes, that'll make everyone happy.
No one will hurt you. They'll have to have a screwdriver, and down here in Atlantis there are no screwdrivers. They've all been banned.
Then how do you build stuff?
The Meccano set! The Meccano set! I'll die! I'll die! There are screwdrivers in the Meccano set!
A Meccano set?
What did I say? There are 2 screwdrivers in there, you know?
Yes, but what is a Meccano set?
I'll tell you, it's a toy. Well, not really. It's a box full of metal plates and wheels and axles, nuts, bolts, all sorts of things. It's a toy for kids. They can make
That's enough.
You're rambling on too much.
Green Lantern's light.
I'm blinded by the light. Revved up like a deuce.
Ow, 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 ow. He's like, ow, why did I sit on the chair while it was still on fire?
Be quiet, you two.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
To be interrupted.
Listen to me carefully. I've decided that you'll help those rebels in every way possible.
Reveal his face already.
It's the best thing to do.
Everything's clear now. Your Majesty, I think I've come up with a plan, but it might be best if I explain and tell everyone the details.
Ronnie,
I'm raping your ass right now.
we'll have to gain the trust of the rebels' leader and do everything they tell them to. Even
Look into my cornea.
the elixir of life. No arguments.
No arguments,
Understand?
no talking, no breathing, no living. You understand?
You will only be good at
We
dying.
must prepare for battle.
All we have to do is win.
All you have to do is win. Quick, someone get a Game Shark or an action replay disc.
We'll replace the flask of elixir with a false one, which will be full of water.
And it will kill them instantly.
Take care not to
What
get
I'm thinking
caught.
yet.
You have to be
Will it
the
fill with
perfect
water?
spy.
A beaker of water? Where are you gonna get water around here?
Show them the way out.
Yes, yes, Your Majesty.
Yes, that'll be so super. Thanks for asking.
Super D duper. Enough with these kinds of establishing shots.
Yes, we get it. Atlantis is supposed to be beautiful. Oh my god, these shots are so boring.
Any idea at all how we can get in touch with those rebels?
No, I
Why
sure
did
don't.
they
The best thing would
give
probably
them
be to
these
stay on the high
voices?
ground and hopefully they'll
I actually prefer the other voices more.
That I would have handled just starting Jason Griffith voicing both of them rather than these voices.
Indeed.
Because as everyone remembers, when Jason Griffith started, he was terrible.
Yeah, but now he's improved.
Well, of course he is now, but when he started, he was terrible.
Yeah, but I think
So no, that's compliments, Jason. We think you're doing better.
yes.
Are you going to tell us where you were?
We were trying to find something interesting to steal and take back up as a souvenir.
Hey, we don't believe you.
Da da.
You are really great, and we really need some good guys on board. I have decided that you four are the ones who will make up the gang who will steal the elixir of life. Let's do it! We'll meet in the boat graveyard in an hour from now. Razor Teeth will accompany us to the surface. I'll let him take control of the seas and oceans, and we will take control of the land.
Of course.
Or he didn't say world, so it should be exactly. Oh
been
man!
standing here for...
Operation Power to the Rats has started, and Ronnie and Top Connors
Reveal your
We've been
face
standing here-
already!
steal the elixir.
It's like we've been standing here for 5 hours, sir. You just now come up with
Here's
that?
everything.
Oh, come on, everything?
Be quiet. Shh.
Pingo, Biagio, and Smile, you'll have to intercept them. Try and distract them, and replace the flask of elixir with another flask full of water.
But where will we find another flask like this? I'm sure we won't find one.
Shut up. Remember, I have the Deus Ex Machina ring. Wait a minute, does his ring have
They do that. He must be
a heart on it?
No, not at all. You've got it wrong.
Heart.
He's not a
Heart.
magician. He's much more.
Taste my motherfucking heart!
As soon as you've replaced the flask, let them go.
So in other words,
Make
the
no
king is
mistakes,
actually
no
Mati.
false moves. They mustn't suspect a thing. I'm warning you. They mustn't know we know.
How about you just go as normal, Pingo?
Here we are. buddy.
I'm Super Pingo!
You're joking, right? You are joking.
I swear we won't make any mistakes.
Ugh.
Your Majesty. Make me proud, Smile. Be good.
Wink.
Be good at it. The only place we were able to get water in this entire city.
We gotta be careful.
Okay. It's like
Aww.
Kung Fu Panda!
#1 Super Bear.
Until 200 years ago, this was like a fortress. But as no one was interested in
Stop
the spring,
shaking your hook
all
at
the
me.
guards were removed.
You're gonna put an eye out.
You're poking eye out!
So, go get
Yo,
How do you think I
poking
lost mine
eye
in the
out.
first-
I'll go get it.
That's how he lost his eye in the first place.
Yeah. Oh, now it's
It's
Raiders
not
of the Lost
Indian.
Ark.
A boulder's not gonna chase after you. Just get it.
Oh,
Okay,
speak of the
you
devil.
want-
Hey, what are you doing?
What's going on?
Stealing the elixir, were we?
Yeah.
Get away with
I'm a
it.
pirate. Epic
Fail.
fail.
Hey, over here.
Yeah, you can still stab him with that.
Ow, ow.
Oh, come on!
Get out of here, go! And take the flask with you!
Not so fast.
I thought he was gonna say free Lidden Beast. Wait, he gave him the wrong one. That's the one that has the elixir.
Now hit me and run.
Hit me? Oh. Yay!
quick. Let's go.
Let's go to part 7.